When I've created resources in previous demonstrations, I've shown you resource tags. Microsoft wants to make sure you understand what resource tags are and how they're used. Resource tags offer no direct function. It's purely for organizational purposes for the client. Tags offer the custom grouping of resources. Resource tags are used to locate and act on resources associated with specific workloads, environments, business units, and owners. And you can use more than one resource tag per resource, up to 50 tags per resource if needed. They can be auto-created by ARM templates or manually created when creating the resource. Otherwise, they are manually created during resource creation, as I'm about to show you in this demonstration. Let's create a resource such as a virtual machine. I'm going to click on Create Virtual Machine. And as I've shown in a previous demonstration, I'm going to get it all the way through this wizard until we get to the tag section. And here is the tag section. Now take a look. You can set a name for this, set a value, and there's a whole bunch of different resources that get created when you create a virtual machine. If I were to create a different type of resource, I would see a different list of resources that you could go ahead and check or uncheck. I'm going to call this virtual machine VM-demo and bill it to the accounting department. I'm also going to give it another name because I can't use the same name twice, and say this also needs to get billed off to the IT department. Now we're going to split up the billing on these resources. So I'm going to unselect all, and I'm going to say the disk, the network interface, and the public IP address is going to be billed to the accounting department. But the other resources are going to be billed into the IT department. So here you can see each of the different resources are being billed to their appropriate department. And we can add up to 50 of these if we like. Resource tags are useful internally to any organization, but they do not make any changes to the resource itself. Pay close attention to ARM templates and how tags can be auto-created for your AZ-900 studies.